Okay, hey guys, just the Mind Joe. So, I've got a quick review of the Dysons. My DC25 is in the car. So for now I have 4, but they have 3 Dysons in my bedroom. So, the first one is the loudest DC07. And the next one is the DC03 and the quietest mobile allergy. So they're all good all good vacuums. But the engine just makes a bit more noise. That makes very good. So I'm going to just give an update here on this Dyson. So this catch handle it's got broken, so we need to get this one. This one is got fixed. And this one is always fixed. Because this DC07 came from Curry. This came from Curry's in 2006. And this DC03 came from Curry's in 90 Game Fuel Cave in 2006, and this came from Argos. So I've got this nice beautiful Dysons. So you remembered, because this Dyson DC07 animal is exactly the same. So I'm going to this is the DC03. So I'm feeling this will make a bit more noise than this one. I'm feeling this one it will make a bit more noise. So I'm going to show this Dyson. It's a Dyson. This is a Dyson DC07 animal. Then we've missed this one, because it's all brand new. So we got this pre-motor filter and a washable post-motor filter and a washable filter and a HEP filter there. So I got this off from Grandma. This came from Grandma, and I've got this 2 off from Grandma, and then I got this off from Argos. But I used to have a DC07 allergy, but I didn't want that, so I had to give it away to someone else. But it's okay. But I just like the allergy the best. So, you want to show you? I'll show you when it. So we got this plug. Dyson animal. It's just an update here. So this is a new Dyson, but it just came from Curry's. So this, and then it came from Argos. So this Dyson DC07 animal has no loss of suction. This DC03, when a DC03 broke, it needed to be fixed. So had to get prepared. The DC03 had to get repaired because they were broken. So this DC03 was broken before, but now it's fixed again. So it made it good as new. So it was just reconditioned, but still a good vacuum. So first, I'm going to start with the DC07 and see how loud I'm feeling that I need to put my headphones on, because this Dyson DC07 is going to be so much louder. So I need to just go get some headphones. 1 second. See, I've just got my headphones on, so it's just stopped getting loud. Okay, so here's the number 1. Here comes the big boy Dyson. So it's were 80 years since. Okay, so just got this. So go. Wow. I glad didn't get in my ears.
Francis, I thought you were finished with that Hoover. I thought you hated it.
Yeah, but it stopped getting into my ears.
Pass it here, let me see it.
Look.
Don't push the door, I mean my head's here. It'll hurt. So, is the hose still broken?
Yeah, but you can see, but that was good. I can now. You're free to get out. So this, yeah, I hated it because it was loud.
You need to hoover in this bedroom because it's full of beads on the floor. Come on.
So I'm just doing an update right now. So next it comes the DC03. This DC03 is nice. So hope it doesn't get any loud. Hope it doesn't get loud. I hope it doesn't get same as the DC07. Okay. So going to press this. Yeah. See? Do you see? It's nice.
Daniel, what do you want to drink? Did you say coffee?
So okay, this is good. So this Dyson DC07 is got loud. This is when Grandma used to have it. So going to bless me. So I've got this. Okay. Excuse me again. Of course, I have got a cold. So, now I'm going to do a first test in video. So I'm going to do just a simple update. So I'm going to use this right. I think it's finally need to do it. I think I need put you can really see me. Right. So finally plug it in. So this means so wow, I think this is much quieter than this one. So you see this Dyson DC07 animal. So make sure this Dyson DC07 sound doesn't get in my ears. So I just got my, if I need to use the ear defenders. So if I need to use the ear defenders, so I need to use these. So I've got 3, but simply okay. If you save money, I will just move it out of the way. So wow, so glad. Oh. Oh, make it so quiet. Make it not too loud, quite loud. Like this. And next, I'm gonna start. This is fixed from my Dyson 3. This. Let me just get this cable off. Ah. So back to this video.